In this video we'll talk about the section 1 and this is the video that is 1.1.1 and where we'll be talking about the section. Then we have legality issues, so we'll talk about some problems that your company might face while you use Hackintosh. Then we have Mac OS X, Tony Mac OS X86 website, so you'll be downloading all the tools and stuff, and I'll show you how to prepare yourself. And we also have a buyer's guide in case you want to buy a new OS X system, and not a pre-configured system but a system that supports OS X or a Hackintosh. So then we have a performance comparison in this video, in this section. So we'll talk why you should be having OS X as an Hackintosh and not as a Mac. And then we have some quiz. So every section will have its own quiz. And now let's move on to the next video, and I hope you'll find it easy to install OS X, and till the end of the course you will install the operating system.